is the vector differentiation. Take down the heading. Vector differentiation. Let take down. Let P of x comma y comma z. So this is a point actually. P is a point and xyz is its coordinate. Okay, in a Cartesian coordinate system. So it is 3-dimension. Okay, so this module completely will related to the 3-dimension only. So let P of x comma y comma z be any point. Be any point. Any point on the curve. On the curve in the space. In the space. So you can imagine if there is a 3-axis, there is x-axis, y-axis and z-axis combining together. Okay, it has x distance, y distance and z distance. It will be in the air or it will be in the space. Okay, the point is in the space. So then next line, so just continue. Then the position vector, then the position vector. Then the position vector. Then the position vector is given by so next line r equals xi plus yj plus zk. So that is x point whose coordinates is x comma y comma z means on x-axis it has x distance, y-axis y distance and z-axis z distance. So that we will represent in vector form. So x into I cap is I cap represents along x-axis, unit vector along x-axis. So like that y into j and z into k. So just you highlight it, put it in a box because it is very important. So wherever the word comes position vector. Okay, so this is important position vector. So we will write this r is equal to xi plus yj plus zk. So in the problem also we have to write like this and we will convert into another variable. Okay, next line. If I will tell you what is position vector, just complete this topic. If x comma y comma z, if x comma y comma z are functions of or just function or function of t, another variable, a single variable, then vector r, that is a position vector, vector r is also a function of t. Is also a function of t. Okay, because for example, say x is equal to t square, y is equal to t cube, z is equal to t minus 2. So like that, if I substitute in terms of t, so that is it is given x, y, z are function of t, then r after substitution to x, y, z, so r is also a function of t. Okay, that is next line. That is vector r, we can write like this, r of t, it is in terms of t only, r of t. Next line, the derivative of r, the derivative of r is denoted as dr by dt. Dr by dt. So same differentiation, but numerator we deal with the vector. That's it. Okay, dr by dt. So is it over here? Is it over? Anyone has to respond quickly. I'm waiting
Yes,
for your answer.
sir.
See, now just position vector means what? Just I will tell you. For example, in a coordinate system, okay, x-axis, y-axis in a Cartesian coordinate system. If I say you mark some 3 points, okay, simply on x-axis you mark from 3 points means how you will mark? You will take one reference point. Is it right? That is actually we called it as an origin. Okay, from here we will count, that is 1, 2, 3 like that. Similarly on y-axis also some 2 points means 1, 2 we will count, that is from this origin. Okay, so this origin we considered as a reference point. The same way, for example, if you want to say how many kilometers your house means, so from which place it is required, is it right? So simply I can't tell 5 kilometer, 10 kilometer. From where it is 5 kilometer, from where it is 10 kilometers. So like that one reference point is required. Similarly, in this concept also, we required one position vector, that is initial vector, what we called as. So that is actually we named it as position vector. Okay, it is a like reference vector. Okay, so now this R is a general vector. In this R, x, y, z is there, no? That will converted into another variable t, only single variable, and that R become R of t. So that R we will differentiate with respect to t. So now we will discuss the next concept is it has a two different meaning. The one is geometrical meaning, another one is physical meaning. Okay, so take down the next heading. Geometrical meaning of derivative of a vector. Geometrical meaning of derivative of a vector. So very important. So the first question comes from this topic only. Okay, in vector differentiation, and that especially the geometrical meaning and physical meaning. Okay, the problem related to this topic. Take it. If vector R means R and above you write one arrow mark. If vector R is a position vector, vector R is a position vector, then dr by dt, is a vector along yeah, just answer to my question. Usually you forget about this vector concept. What is dy by dx gives? Anyone? What is
Slope,
geometrically,
sir.
what is dy by dt? Sorry?
Slope.
Very good. It is not only the slope, it is slope of the tangent. Okay, dy by dx in a +2 level, you studied one chapter in second POC, application of differentiation. So there you are calculating the slope of the tangent. Okay, dy by dx gives the slope of the tangent. The same way here, if r is a position vector, then dr by dt is a vector along the tangent. Take down along the tangent. Who is there? Sujan Bharadwaj. See what you people are doing. See, everything is recorded here. It will be problem to you only. This recorded copy I will send to the principal. If anybody has make a nonsense, and I will remove and from the channel, and throughout this semester I will not allow. Srijan Bharadwaj.
Yes, sir.
What you are doing, man? Where you are sitting? Background one song is there. You are unmuting. Speak with me, Srujan.
Sorry, sir. Sorry.
See, it is a disturbance to everyone. Please understand everyone. Okay. Yes. It is a vector along the tangent. Take down along the tangent. Along the tangent at a point P. At a point P. That is T equals, this is the geometrical meaning, vector T equals dr by dt. Okay, just if the ask in the problem, calculate the tangent vector means just one time differentiation. Just put it in box. Next heading, unit tangent vector. Unit tangent vector. So I hope you understand. Just tangent vector, nothing but one time differentiation of r with respect to t, small t. Remember that is. So t is just a point. Okay. Now once you got tangent vector t is a tangent vector. How to calculate unit tangent vector? Anyone? Yesterday I told the word unit vector comes means what is the formula? Any vector, general vector.
A
What is
vector
the
by
unit vector?
modulus of A
Very,
vector by magnitude of A vector.
very good, very good. The same way, vector divided by its magnitude. Just you can take a general way, vector, whatever it is, divided by its magnitude. Okay, so take down unit tangent vector. If t is a tangent vector, if t is a tangent vector, if t is a tangent vector, comma, then the unit tangent vector, then the unit tangent vector, the unit tangent vector denoted by t cap, just t cap, and is given by t cap equals vector t divided by its magnitude. See, they will ask unit, I told no, unit velocity, unit acceleration, whatever they will ask, it is a simple formula, vector divided by its magnitude. Whatever it is, either a, b, whatever it is t or v or acceleration a. Okay, so write the vector divided by its magnitude. Okay, and next it is geometrical representation, geometrical meaning of derivative dr by dt. Now the next heading is physical meaning of a derivative. Physical meaning heading. Of a derivative. Physical meaning of derivative of a vector. Just physical meaning of, you take physical meaning of derivative of a vector. This is the heading. Yeah, take down. Since R is a position vector, since R is a position vector, comma, if If a point moving along the curve, and R is a function of t, and R is a function of t, T here it is a physical meaning, no? T stands for time. Okay. In geometrical meaning, we just you took t as a point, nothing but a slope of a tangent. But now in a physical meaning, okay, if we consider t is a time and r is a position vector, it is moving along the curve. Okay, then dr by t, then dr by dt gives anyone? How we say generally dy by dx? We are using in a word, in a sentence form. Dy by dx nothing but rate of change of y with respect to x, dy by dx. Similarly, here dr by dt is rate of change of r with respect to t. Okay, but what is r? What is t? R is a position vector, or position of a particle. Okay, rate of change of position of a particle with respect to time. What is it? It is a definition of what? A physics term.
Velocity.
Very good. Okay, definition of velocity. Rate of change of position of a particle with respect to time is nothing but velocity. Okay, so here dr by dt also same way. R is a position vector and nothing but position of a particle. Dr by dt means rate of change of r with respect to t. T stands for time here. With respect to time gives velocity. Take down. So see, same definition, same mathematical term dr by dt. So that one we consider as a tangent here, that is geometrical meaning. The same dr by dt we consider as velocity. Okay. For both the concept, depending on the problem, if they ask tangent, just you differentiate one time. If they ask velocity, then also you differentiate r with respect to t one time. Dr by dt gives velocity. Okay. So next line, velocity of a, take down, velocity of a particle p, of a particle p. Okay, next line, that is v equals dr by dt. So this is also just highlight, put it in box. This is the first question. Okay, in your question paper 1A or 2A, that stands for this topic only, vector differentiation. So they may ask tangent, they may ask velocity, or they may ask unit tangent vector or angle between two tangents. So whatever. So everything, whatever we discussed yesterday, that is the basic angle between two vectors. The formula is cos theta. Okay, just you can recall that is everything. Now you have to apply. Okay, next line, next line, d by dt of d by dt. So one more time, if I differentiate dr by dt, d by dt of dr by dt, that is equal to d by dt of v, that is dv by dt. Okay, d by dt of v is called, what is that? Anyone?
Acceleration.
Very good. It is acceleration. Okay, acceleration, that is acceleration of a particle p. Acceleration of a particle p, that is acceleration denoted as a equals, so d by dt of dr by dt or dv by dt. So you simply d square r divided by dt square I will write. Means one time if you differentiate, you will get velocity. 2 times if you differentiate, you will get acceleration. Okay, so this is the basic concepts again. Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt in this geometrical
No,
meaning
sir.
and yeah, physical meaning?
Okay.
Okay, so very simple. They will give R, or you have to construct R, and it should be in terms of T only. No other variable allowed. You have to convert. They will give. You have to convert that. You have to substitution of x, y, z. Basically, R is this position vector xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Just you have to substitute x, y, z in terms of t, and you differentiate one time according to the question. If they ask tangent, dr by dt gives tangent. If they ask velocity, same dr by dt gives velocity, and if they ask acceleration, you differentiate one more time. Okay. Yes. Next heading. So I will write here only. Component. Next heading. Component of a vector. Component of a vector. Component of a vector. Component of a vector A. Definition. Component of a vector A along the direction D, capital D1 arrow mark along the direction D is given by A dot vector A dot D cap. A dot D cap, where D cap equals, what is D cap?
D vector by magnitude of D vectors.
Right. Very good. That's it. See, try to understand everyone. Simply log in for the attendance sake means no use. Okay, you can get the attendance, but whatever the internals or external, internals may be online, that we don't know, but external exams it is offline only. So definitely the loss to you people only. So take seriously. I'm writing step by step and I'm explaining the concepts also. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay. See, this concept component of a vector, again, it is a problem. They may ask, find the component of velocity along one vector they will give. That is, we will take it as D. Component of velocity means you have to write it is V dot D cap. Component of acceleration, if they ask, A dot D cap. So like that. Okay. This A is general, but according to the problem that you have to convert this formula. So this is the basic definitions, and we will go to the problems now. So any doubt you can ask up to here. So just position vector R and differentiation dr by dt, and it has a two meaning. One is geometrical, gives it is a tangent. Physical meaning, it gives a velocity. So if you differentiate one more time, it gives acceleration. And if they ask find the component of velocity or acceleration, means component word comes means they will give one directional vector D. You have to calculate dot product. The dot product yesterday we discussed it. Okay. Yes, now we'll go with the problems. So simple problems only. So simple differentiation. Just a minute. Yeah. Take down. Find unit tangent vector. First problem. Find unit tangent vector Find unit tangent vector for the space curve. For the space curve, R equals cos t I cap plus sin t j cap plus t k cap at t equals 0. Okay, t equals 0. So question is, this is the question. You have to calculate unit tangent vector. Unit tangent vector is nothing but t cap. Okay, so before that calculating unit tangent vector, we need what is tangent vector. Okay, take down solution. Given R equals cos t I cap. Write down the problem. Cos t I cap plus sin t j cap plus t into k cap. Okay, so what is the formula of t, capital T, that is tangent vector? So we know that
dr by dt.
dt. Very good. We know that tangent vector. So for the first problem, I'm writing all these things. You can write just t. We know that t is equal to dr by dt. Okay, so calculate dr by dt. Therefore, dr by dt equals dr by dt. So nothing but differentiation of our problem. Yes, what is the differentiation of cos t? Cos t differentiation is minus sin t. Is it right?
Minus sin.
See, the basics, everything you should recall. For whatever the trigonometric functions or whatever the complicated formula means, I will explain parallelly. Okay, I will give the formula parallelly. So differentiation of cos t is minus sin t plus differentiation of sin t is cos t. Right, I cap and j cap. It shows along the direction x axis, y axis. That's it. Plus differentiation of t is 1 into k cap. Okay. Now they are given one point at t equal to 0. At t equal to 0. So I can replace now dr by dt as t. Okay. Therefore t equals, t stands for tangent vector. Therefore t equals, yes, when t equal to 0, this term vanishes, sin 0. Okay. If you want, you can write 0 I cap plus cos 0 is 1 j cap plus just 1, no need to substitute because it's a constant, k cap. Or so finally vector t equals just j cap plus k cap. Okay, so this is tangent vector. If this problem, if they ask for 6 marks, question is unit tangent vector. Calculating tangent vector up to here, you will get 3 marks. Okay, and calculating unit tangent vector, you will get another 3 marks. So unit tangent vector, you should know the formula, vector t divided by its magnitude. So calculate the magnitude here only. So what is magnitude of t? Yes, what is the formula?
Root of a1 square plus a2
Yes.
square plus a3 square.
See, everyone, you should know that is the basic. Yesterday, whatever we discussed, if a is equal to a1 I cap plus a2 j cap plus a3 k cap. So if general vector, then magnitude of a is equal to square root of its component, that coefficients of ijk, that is a1 square plus a2 square plus a3 square. So yesterday we discussed it, no? So just you recall the definitions and you have to apply according to this definition. Okay, the problem to problem it will vary. So here it is square root of coefficient of j is 1, therefore 1 square plus coefficient of k is 1, that is 1 square, or magnitude of t equals, it is root 2. Okay, therefore, so finally what is our question? Unit tangent vector t cap equals, write the formula, vector t divided by its magnitude. Okay, just substitute what is vector t, or this implies t cap equals vector t is I cap plus j cap plus k cap divided by root 2. So this is the solution. I hope you understand.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So shall we go to the next problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Second problem. Find the unit tangent vector. Simple only. So if you understand the concept throughout this chapter, this module, if you are strong in basics of this scalar and vector, solution of the problem is really very simple. Okay, just you have to understand the concept: dot product, cross product, unit tangent, or sorry, unit vector. The definition you should be very perfect. Okay, take down the next problem. Find the unit tangent vector. One more problem. Find the unit tangent vector. Find the unit tangent vector for the space curve for the space curve x equals 1 plus t cube, x equals 1 plus t cube, y equals 2 t cube, y equals 2 into t cube, and z equals 2 minus t cube, 2 minus t cube at t equals 2. So they will give in a different way. So first problem, it is given directly, but now they are given in indirect way. That is, x is given, y is given, z is given. So first take down solution. We know that r equals, this is the basic definition of r, position vector. R is equal to xi plus yj plus zk. Okay, this is, we called it as a position vector, and it is the basic xi plus yj plus zk. And now whatever it is given x, y, z, you substitute. So r converted in terms of t. So r equals, x is 1 plus t cube I cap plus y is 2t cube j cap plus z is 2 minus t cube k cap. Okay, so now the point also given, but no, you should not substitute the point now because I want to differentiate. So if you substitute t is equal to 2, completely it becomes constant, and differentiation of constant is 0. Okay, so now what is dr by dt? That also you calculate first. Once you write r, so calculate dr by dt. Because we know tangent vector formula is just one-time differentiation, dr by dt. What is dr by dt? Differentiate this r. One differentiation is 0. T cube differentiation is 3t square. Just I will write the answer directly. Okay, because it is very simple. Still, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Plus second term 2t cube differentiation, 2 constant because it is a product, keep as it is. T cube differentiation is 3t square, 3 2 is the 6t square. 6t square j cap. And now here see, differentiation of 2 is 0. It is totally separate. 0. Since it is minus, plus into minus is minus. And t cube differentiation is 3t square j cap. Is it right? Differentiation.
Yes, sir.
Now at t equals 2. Now you put the point. So dr by dt. So nothing but tangent. So tangent, that is equal to dr by dt. So both are same. Yes. So 3 into t square is 4. 2 square I cap plus 6 times again it is 4. 2 square is 4 j cap minus minus 3 times again 4. Correct? Again 4. It is, sorry, this is k cap into k cap. Okay. So now finally t equals vector t equals 4 3s are 12 I cap plus 6 4s are 24 j cap minus again 4 3s are 12 k cap. This is vector t. So to calculate unit tangent, we need magnitude. So calculate here only. So what is the magnitude of t? It is a square root of 24 square. You will get very big number, and it is c. Even it is a minus, because we are doing a square. This gives plus only. Inside the square root, there is no question of negative sign. Even though it is minus 12 whole square you have to write actually. So that gives plus 12 square only. Okay. This you calculate, you will get one number. Anyone? Will you answer?
Square root 4
Square root?
864.
Very good. 864. Okay. So I don't know. So whatever you will tell, I will write. Now, therefore, unit tangent vector. Therefore, unit tangent vector t cap equals vector t divided by its magnitude. So that is equal to, just write down, vector t is 12 I cap, 12 I cap plus 24 j cap minus 12 k cap divided by square root of 864. Numerator I can take 12 common if possible. Denominator also, if you want to take 12 out of the square root, okay, you can cancel. Otherwise leave it, no problem. This is unit tangent vector. Yes, got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So one problem, another one problem, just calculating velocity and acceleration. Same one time and two time differentiation. Take on the third problem. Just I will finish and I'll wind up the class. Take them. A particle moves. Third problem. A particle moves. A particle. Just. Just a minute. A particle moves, third problem. A particle moves along x equals t cube minus 4t, t cube minus 4t, y equals t square plus 4t, t square plus 4t, and z equals 8t square, 8t square minus 3, 8t square minus 3, where t denotes time, where t denotes time. Find magnitude of velocity and acceleration. Find magnitude of velocity and acceleration at t equals 2. So simple problem. So just first you have to write r in terms of t and differentiate one time, you will get velocity. Find the magnitude. differentiate another time, one more time, you will get acceleration and find the magnitude. So while finding magnitude, you have to substitute t is equal to 2. Okay. So first we know that r equals xi plus yj plus zk. Okay. So nothing but r equals x is t cube minus 4t I cap plus y is t square plus 4t j cap plus z is 8t square minus 3 k cap. Okay, so it is in terms of t. Therefore, what is its differentiation? Dr by dt. One time you differentiate and two times also I differentiate better. One time differentiation is dr by dt. You will get 3t square minus 4 I cap plus t square differentiation is 2t plus 4t differentiation is 4 j cap plus 8t square. T square is 2t, 8 2 is a 16t minus that is 0 k cap. This is dr by dt. So one more time you differentiate better. What is d square r by dt square? I can write here v equals, okay, just therefore v equals dr by dt, a equals d square r by dt square. So one more time if I differentiate, here t square differentiation is 2t, so 2 3s are 6t and minus 4 no need to write, it is 0 plus 2t differentiation is just 2, it is j cap and 16t differentiation is 16, it is k cap. This is velocity and acceleration. So next line, at t is equal to 2, point is given. Okay, at t is equal to 2, at t is equal to 2. So what is velocity? Velocity is equal to, if I put 2 here, if I put 2, you get 2 square is 4. Okay, 4 3 is 12. So 12 minus 4 is 8. 8 I cap plus similarly second one here. If I put 2 here, 2 is a 4, 4 plus 4, 8 again, 8 j cap and plus this is if I put 2 here, t is equal to 2, 16 2 is a 32. 32 k cap. This is the velocity and in the same line, what is the magnitude? Magnitude of velocity, that they are asking only magnitude, that's it. So magnitude is square root of 8 square plus 8 square plus 32 square. You will get some big number. And what is the answer? Just tell me.
24 root 2.
24 into root 2.
Root of 2.
Correct? Huh? Okay. Similarly, acceleration a equals at t equals to 2, you will get 6 2 is a 12 I cap, 12 I cap plus 2 j cap. There is no t here plus 16 k cap and its magnitude is magnitude of a equals square root of 12 square plus 2 square plus 16 square. So that gives
2 root of 101.
velocity, magnitude of velocity. Check once again. Is it right? 24 root 2. Okay, what about acceleration? Square root of?
So 2 square root of 101.
2 into square root of 101.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Please verify these two answers. Okay. And this is the solution for this given problem. Okay. Any doubt? Okay.